The next game at Dallas Stadium, it is going to be a hot afternoon. So good news if you're going to happen to get tickets to go inside the stadium. Well, obviously you're going to be just fine, but outside, it is going to be another scorcher. Temperatures will likely make it into the mid-90s again on Thursday. And that's going to be at 4 o'clock when we see that high of about 95, but kickoff isn't until 6. At 6 o'clock, we drop just a few degrees, 93, and then we're in the low 90s also at 8 o'clock. It's also going to be a little breezy that day. That wind being out of the south between about 15 to 25. We're also going to see plenty of sunshine. Today, we made it to 96, when normally this time of year, the high should be 93. The record 103, and we were rain-free, at least at the airport. We actually officially had a trace at DFW, while other locations across the Metroplex and especially areas to the north saw a little bit more. Right now, it is still hot, 95 degrees, but with a dew point of 72, it feels like 103 degrees. Looking at that live allergy count, most things are low except fungus, which is in that moderate category. Satellite radar still showing a couple of isolated showers and storms off to the north and east. They're not doing much, and I was looking at them earlier. There's no lightning with them at all, and the latest data continues to keep that very isolated. And eventually late tonight, it all moves off to the south and east. And overnight tonight, it looks quiet for most of us. We're just going to keep that very low chance of isolated showers and storms in the forecast, a little bit closer to the Red River overnight and into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, we are expecting lots of sunshine, but that also means it's going to come with a little bit of a price. It is going to be hot and it is going to be humid. Now, as far as rain chances are concerned, outside of that very low chance for some of us early tomorrow morning, I really don't see too many rain chances after that. There is going to be another chance once we get into late tomorrow night to Wednesday morning, but that coverage stays pretty low. Outside of that, over the next several days, the chance of actually getting any rain at your location is going to be very slim. So temperatures, they're going to continue to go up. Now, over the next few days, they're actually going to be pretty close to seasonal. The normal high this time of year is 93 degrees, and we're going to stay pretty close to that all the way through Thursday. But on Friday, we climb to several degrees above normal. Upper 90s return by the end of the week. The heat index approaching around 105 degrees, looking at 99 on Saturday and 98 degrees on Sunday. So we're going to hang out in the upper 90s for at least a few days. Tonight, though, isolated rain is still possible, mainly north of the Metroplex. Outside of that, partly cloudy. We're dropping into the mid-70s. And same story tomorrow. We're looking at partly sunny skies, isolated rain and storms mainly early during the day and mainly north of the Metroplex. So looking at a high of about 95 degrees. 96 by the time we get to Wednesday, 95 on Thursday, 98 though on Friday. We keep those upper 90s going all the way through early next week. And you can see after that, we also have a couple of days in there where we do reach 100 degrees. So it is going to get very hot. Notice, though, eventually we start to see that unsettled weather pattern come back, and then we're looking at a chance of rain and storms or for at least a few more days. And then with that being said, it looks like those rain chances will help to bring those temperatures back down. They got me going all over the studio. I don't know where I'm going. I never do the 6:30. So here we go. I'm trying to read the forecast. No, today, obviously, it's been very warm. We've got so many fans still, enjoying the time outdoors. Hopefully, they're staying nice and hydrated.